Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an Acura MDX headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a flathead screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so begin by safely disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This prevents any electrical issues during the process. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the front bumper. This step provides crucial access to the headlight assembly's mounting bolts, making the rest of the job much easier to complete. Once the bumper is off, you'll see the headlight assembly clearly. Proceed to unscrew all the mounting bolts that secure the headlight to the vehicle's frame. There are usually 3 or 4 of these. After the bolts are removed, carefully disconnect all the electrical connectors attached to the headlight unit. Take your time here to avoid damaging any wires. Finally, gently pull the old headlight assembly straight out from its housing. Now it's time for the new headlight. Carefully connect all the electrical harnesses to your new headlight assembly, ensuring each connection is secure and snug. Next, align the new headlight unit precisely into its mounting location. Make sure it sits flush and correctly. Once aligned, reinsert and tighten all the mounting bolts to firmly secure the new headlight assembly in place. Double-check that everything feels stable before moving on. With the new headlight installed, the final steps are straightforward. Reinstall the front bumper, making sure all clips and screws are properly fastened for a secure fit. Then, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Turn on your vehicle and test the new headlights to ensure they are functioning correctly. You've successfully replaced your headlight. Also, for a fresh car interior, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.